In this support video, we will be installing the handle for all French door range models. The parts are the French door handle, the black rubber seals, and a hex key wrench. Install the rubber seals first by placing the shorter end into the handle holder. Next, insert the door handle with the rounded edge on top of the handle holder. Make sure it is in the rubber seal. If your door handle does not fit, loosen the side and bottom screws. Once your door handle is properly in place, tighten the side and bottom screw. This completes the installation.